Practical lecture on the Big Tree Thinking Mode Theory. Expand your imagination. Special declaration. Hello everyone, I'm Parker and we continue to open up our imaginations. In this episode I want to make a special statement. Due to limitations on platforms like Douyin and TikTok, they impose restrictions on video file size, duration, and other factors. As a result, I've had to break down some lectures into smaller parts and publish them piece by piece. This doesn't benefit the completeness of discussions on certain topics. In other words, when you watch, you might not see a continuous complete video. Complete videos are available on YouTube or Google websites and they are all free. You can find relevant links in the title or description of each video. If you're interested, you can watch the corresponding complete videos on YouTube or Google websites. Many people have suggested that I should keep the videos short, saying that nowadays people have no interest or patience to watch videos longer than 15 seconds. I find this statement quite puzzling. If someone only has a 15-second attention span for anything, what can they possibly achieve? Even during learning, no class ends in just 15 seconds, so I don't quite understand. For those who have such a mindset, what are you aiming to achieve if you only have a 15-second interest in anything? What can you accomplish in your lifetime? Many things cannot be accomplished in just 15 seconds, right? This applies to your work and your life. In just 15 seconds you have no interest, no patience. If you're in a relationship and you tell your partner that you only have a 15-second interest in them, who would still want to be with you when two people are together? 15 seconds is hardly enough time for small talk, let alone anything else. Alright, I'm just making a joke here. Another explanation I've heard is that by watching the first 15 seconds of a video you can tell whether you're interested in the content. I find this quite strange. As well, if you're watching a TV show or a movie, in the first 15 seconds you haven't even seen the title and you're supposed to know whether you're interested or not. Are you claiming to be a deity? Videos, movies and TV shows are all similar in this regard. Can you understand and determine your level of interest in everything within 15 seconds, knowing it all and having clarity? If that's the case, then those who make movies and TV shows are redundant. Why make something longer when a 15-second film would suffice? I find this viewpoint particularly puzzling. What kind of mindset leads to this perspective? Do you truly consider yourself some elevated deity? So I don't endorse this perspective. That's why I'm creating these videos, hoping that you'll have the patience to watch them through. If you truly want to change your life, then my lectures will undoubtedly be meaningful for you. Of course, if you genuinely have a 15-second interest in everything, then so be it. That's a matter of personal preference and I have no judgment to pass on that. The practical lectures on the Big Tree Thinking Mode Theory have been published for some time now, and I hope that everyone can accept or understand some of the viewpoints presented. Of course, the first premise is that these are my personal opinions. If you have different opinions or ideas, we can discuss them together. Thank you everyone.
Friends who are interested in my lectures, please click to subscribe and click on the little bell. At the same time, the links to the Big Tree Thinking Model Theory ebook and the Big Tree Thinking Model and Junior High School Mathematics lectures are here below. Friends can click on the link to watch related free lectures. Thank you all.